Ladies and gentlemen, now is the time for a very special of today's event. The felicitation of President of Sri Lanka Association of Child Development, Professor Hemamali Pereira. I call upon the stage to Dr. Swarna Wijetunga to read the citation. She is a child psychiatrist in the Lady Ridgeway Hospital.
Good morning. This is a very surprising event, and it happened actually with the committee decided this without the knowledge of our president and what is happening in the country anyway. Dear Madam, we take this opportunity to acknowledge and thank you for the decades of hard work and commitment you have shown in the field of child and adolescent psychiatry. We take this opportunity to felicitate you for your excellent commitment. So I'm honored to read her citation. Hemamali Niranjala Pereira, Sri Lankan, born in 2nd of June 1949. Her qualifications is a Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery in 1974 from the University of Ceylon. She is a member of the Royal College of Psychiatrists, 1984 London, Royal College of Psychiatrists in the UK. MD Psychiatry in 1986, Postgraduate Institute of Medicine, University of Colombo, Sri Lanka. Career Certificate in Child and Adolescent Psychiatry, 1990. Postgraduate Child Psychiatry Training Program, Victoria, Australia. 2-year full-time training at the Royal Children's Hospital, Melbourne, Australia. She's registered in the Sri Lanka Medical Council. She has the General Medical Council in the UK registration, GNC Principal List with Specialist Registration in Child and Adolescent Psychiatry. She started her career as intern medical officer in the General Hospital Kandy in 1974. The medical officer, General Hospital Colombo and Base Hospital Diathalawa. Then she started her training in UK until 1985. She joined as a lecturer, Faculty of Medicine, University of Colombo, 1986. And she's a senior lecturer since 1990. And she was a professor in psychological medicine, Faculty of Medicine, University of Colombo since 2004 in Sri Lanka. Honorary Consultant in Child and Adolescent Psychiatry, Lady Ridgeway Hospital for Children, Colombo, Sri Lanka, 1986. Honorary Consultant in Psychiatry, National Hospital, Colombo, Sri Lanka, 1986. A specialty, Child and Adolescent Psychiatry. She worked at Lady Ridgeway Hospital, Colombo, conducted outpatient clinics for children up to 12 years and outpatient clinics for adolescents up to 19 years at National Hospital. She had she did special service programs especially for children with ADHD and learning difficulties, and assessment and early intervention in autism, and strengthening families programs in children with severe behavior problems. She liaised with the services with the pediatric units. She did joint clinical care with the pediatric services for children with obesity and endocrine disorders. Day hospital service that received referrals from pediatricians and therapy jointly with the teens. Provide consultation and reporting in child and adolescent mental health to forensic and legal services. Community outpatient clinics receiving referrals from school health services, consultation to community, primary health care and voluntary services in child and adolescent mental health. Her contribution to teaching and training, she undertook undergraduate training, actively contributed in implementing curriculum reforms based on new developments in the field of medical education and evidence-based practice in teaching and learning. As the first convener of the behavioral sciences stream, when this new subject area was introduced into the undergraduate medical curriculum in 1995, Dr. Pereira took the main responsibility in overseeing its implementation. She contributed to training of medical undergraduates and supervised their research projects of University of Sri Travadanapura and Kelaniya, supervised research projects of undergraduates in the IT faculties in University of Moratu and SLIT, training of postgraduates in child and adolescent psychiatry, clinical supervision, teaching programs at PGIM, and MPhil in clinical psychology, clinical supervision, and teaching in allied health training programs. She holds posts in the Faculty of Medicine as the Chairperson, Admissions Committee, Chairperson, Mental Health Module. Her experience in working as a consultant child and adolescent psychiatrist in UK and Australia, worked in the Princess Margaret Hospital, Perth, Western Australia in 1999, Children's Department, St. Lucas Hospital, Middlesbrough, at NHS Trust in 1999, Child and Adolescent and Family Consultation Service, NHS Trust UK in year 2000, Madrid Lodge Children's Unit, NHS Trust in 2002, Child and Family Services, Worcester, 6 months period in 2006, Child and Family Centre, Tonted, South Wales in 2007, and Camp St. David's Hospital, Cardiff in 2010. In the continuing professional development and scientific communication, she attended courses and conferences. In the last 5 years, she presented at annual academic conferences in Sri Lanka College of Psychiatrists, College of Pediatricians, Sri Lanka Medical Association as a guest lecturer, presented 3 papers symposia in child and adolescent psychiatry every year in the past 5 years. Medical education conferences, she presented 3 papers, seminars and workshops in medical education, presented in American Academy of Child and Adolescent Psychiatry Annual Conference in 2007, Annual Academic Conference of Sri Lanka College of Psychiatrists, Sri Lanka College of Pediatricians and Sri Lanka Medical Association every year until year 2014. She had over 55 presentations in scientific sessions in Sri Lanka and overseas and conducted audits, and 58 publications in peer-reviewed journals and authorships in books, chapters in relation to child mental health issues in pediatric care, child psychiatric care, community mental health care, and school mental health. She has translated into Sinhala and Validation of Strengths and Difficulties questionnaire, Goodman R. 1997, and joint author in Translation and Validation of Child Behavior Checklist, T.M. Ackenbach. Contribution to national development, played a leading role and a significant way in the following projects, like Minister of Education. She is the Directorate of Non-Formal and Special Education, conducted workshops and training programs for teachers in special education, setting up of a model autism school for training of teachers in the Teacher Training College, Maharagama, with the Minister of Education, with the Director Primary Education, conducted national program in training primary school teachers in neurodevelopmental disorders in children. With the Ministry of Health, she was an active member in the national program in child development, which involved in the setting up of community-based child development monitoring and early intervention services, and setting up a school at Lady Ridgeway Hospital with collaboration with Education Ministry in the appointment of teachers to the Lady Ridgeway Hospital. With the Ministry of Justice, she is a member of Committee in Reforms to Minimal Age of Criminal Responsibility, national program in training police officers in child abuse investigation and reducing delay in reporting to courts. With the Ministry of Probation and Child Care, recruitment procedures to different residential and rehabilitation programs. And with the Divisional Secretary at Homagama, she set up a multi-sectoral network for socially effective management of children and adolescents with school non-attendees. and antisocial conduct and those who are at risk of abuse. In the Sri Lanka Air Force, she volunteered clinical service and she was advisor for 23 years. She was awarded Sri Lanka College of Psychiatrists Oration in 2004 about mental health of adolescent school children, risks and resilience. She was awarded Best Scientific Paper and Gold Medal for Research, Annual Academic Sessions, College of Pediatricians and College of Psychiatrists on 3 separate occasions. Presidential Awards for Research and Publications in International Index Journal on 3 separate occasions. International Women's Day Award 2013 for national contribution in developing services for children with autism. She is the founder and the president of Sri Lanka Association for Child Development. She retired from her service in September 2014. In the honor of great service she rendered to the field of child development and child and adolescent psychiatry in Sri Lanka, we, SLACD committee, decided to felicitate Professor Hemamali Perera. I invite our chief guest, Emeritus Professor Priyani Soisa, to do the presentation to Professor Hemamali Perera.